friends, it's time for small groups, and today we're going to talk about tallying again. I don't know if you remember, but we tallied the letters, the numbers, and the rainbows that were on my wall. I'm not at home right now, and so I don't have any letters or rainbows on my wall. So today we're going to tally the word bounce. And we're going to tally how many times we see the word bounce in this book. Okay? So remember, tallying is making sets of five. Okay? So here I have our sheet. It says tallying the word bounce. How many times is the word bounce in the book? So we're going to make our tally marks here, and then we're going to answer the question down here. And we're going to say, we see the word bounce. And we put how many times there, times in the book. Okay? So every time we see the word bounce, Miss Charles is going to make a tally mark. Now I'm going to be holding the book up, so I'm going to make the tally mark on the sheet. You won't see um, me make it, but I'll hold it up every time, okay? And we'll see how many times. So here we go. So we're going to, of course, write a tally mark for the word bounce on the front cover, okay? So I'm going to make one tally mark. One, okay? We see the word bounce again on the second page, the title page. So Miss Charles made, oops, there you go, another tally mark. And remember, when I get to the fifth word, the fifth time, I'm going to make a slash through it. So here's another word, that's three. So I'm going to make another tally mark. See? One, two, three. Okay, is bounce on this page? Nope, I see hip and hop, but not bounce. Okay, here's the word bounce. Do you see it? Let's bounce like a frog. I see it one time. So Miss Charles is going to make, oops, sorry friends, one tally mark. I see bounce right here. So I'm going to make another tally mark. And now we're getting to our fifth one. So that completes our set of five. So I'm going to make a line through. So that's five. Okay. And I see bounce again. See it? So I'm going to start another set that's separate from this one. Okay. I see bounce right here. So I'm going to make another one. And then I see bounce right here. So I'm going to write that again. Now we have 8 tally marks. I see the word bounce there. That's 9. And the word bounce there, that makes 10. Do you see that? Let me show you. Sorry. Bounce and bounce. Can you point to the word bounce? Very good. Can you point to the soccer ball? Good job. Can you point to the foot? Good. So Miss Charles is going to make 9 and then 10. I make the slash through. So we have 2 sets of 5 now. There's the word bounce again. Let's see if it's on this page. You see it on this page? No. So I'm going to make one tally mark, a new set. See that? Okay. I see the word bounce here, and I see the word bounce there. So I'm going to make 2. 1, 2. Now we have 13 tally marks. 13. Okay? I see the word bounce here. Do you see it? Can you point to the word bounce? Very good. It's right there. Do we see it over here? I see it. Can you point to the word bounce? I see it again right here. So Ms. Charles is going to make 1 and I'm going to So friends, so far we have, if we count by fives, it's 5, 10, 15. Wow, we have 15. The word bounce is already in here 15 times. So here's the word bouncing, bouncing. But that's not the word bounce. Bouncing. That's the plural of the word, so we won't write that one. Do we see bounce? You see it? Oops, let me see. Touch it. Good job. Do we see it on this side? We do, so we have to make it 2 times, right? So Miss Charles will write it 2 times. 2 tallies. 1, 2. Wow. This book has the word bounce in it lots of times. So this says bounced. It has a D on the end, so we're not going to count that one, okay? Because we're just looking for the word bounce. Okay, this one says bouncing. Do you see bounce on this page? Yes, can you touch it? Bounce, very good. So Miss Charles is going to make another tally mark. Friends, I think my marker's drying out. Uh-oh. Do you see the word bounce on this page? Where is it? Not that one that says bouncing. This one says bounce. Very good. So Miss Charles is going to make another tally mark, okay? On this page, do we see bounce? No words. We just see the dog drinking the lemonade. Do we see bounce on this page? Yep, right there. So Miss Charles is going to make another tally mark. Do we see bounce on this page? No. Good job. Do we see the word bounce on this page? We see bounced with a D, but not bounce. And what about here? And we see bounce with the D again. And then that's the end. So let's count and see how many times. So we're going to count by fives because that's what tallying is all about. Is you tally up the numbers and then it's a faster way to count. So this is a set of 5, this is a set of 5, this is a set of 5, and this is a set of 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20. And if we count them individually, we can do that too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we see the word bounce 20 times in the book. So Miss Charles is going to write 20. How should I write 20? A 2 and a 0. Yes, so I'm going to write it 2 and a 0. We see the word bounce 20 times. So friends, very good. I loved how you helped me bounce and count and identify the word bounce in the story. Now, I would love if you, when you read your book tonight, you pick a word or a letter and you can see how many times you see that word or that letter in your story, okay? All right, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.